When writing your introduction, body paragraphs, or conclusion, there are just some things that you need to know in order to make your essay go from school level to professional grade. Stay tuned to learn more. In previous videos, this series has covered small tips to help you with writing your body paragraphs, introductions, or conclusions. But now we're going to be going over some clear tips that focus on drafting your essay in order to make it come out great.
Number 1. The introduction should establish the problem. Outside of APA writing style, try to avoid having to use obvious language to explain the purpose of your essay. Number 2. Your introduction and body paragraphs are always built with the conclusion in mind. Number 3. You want to leave the body paragraph for the majority of your details and analysis. There is nothing you should feel should be added in terms of evidence by the time you get to the conclusion. Number 4. When you start to write research papers that require more than 3 body paragraphs, consider writing these types of paragraphs to organize your content. You can find examples of these using the PDF link in the description. Number 5. How to organize your paragraphs or ideas. A. Chronology. Say if you are writing about literature or history, it can be very important to trace events in the order that they happen. B. Plot. Follow your thesis and make sure whatever you write supports your main idea. Number 6. The conclusion should arrive at answers, judgments, proposals, and closure. If you feel there is something you want to add to the paper, like a new idea or a conclusion, go back and edit it into the body paragraphs. This way, you can reserve the conclusion for finishing the paper. Number 7. Your conclusion should always restate the thesis. The content of your conclusion depends on what your purpose in writing the paper is about, but you can end the paper well by doing a variety of things, including restating the thesis.
I hope you enjoyed these tips on writing your essay. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe in order to give us some feedback that you loved this video. But with that, we hope to see you in the next video. My name is Mark Maslar, and these are the 7 phases of great essay writing. Happy writing, everyone.